Hello everyone, this is just going to be a quick little video to show you how to install the Zoom Cloud Meeting app that we are going to use to check your Google AdWords account to make sure that it meets our requirements. So first things first is you will obviously see this page. This is where all the information can be found. So you'll scroll down here to where you see install Zoom, and the video that you're watching right now will be somewhere right around here. So the first thing you want to do is watch this video all the way through, and once you have learned how to install it and you know if you learned how to install it, you'll want to come back to here, and right below this video you see this giant download now button. You're going to want to hit that download button, and then it's going to take you to the Zoom, and it will download Zoom. It says download should start automatically in a few seconds, and it did. So you see down here, it downloaded and it has this arrow here with this orange box here. It says click launch zoom.exe. So right here, you're going to want to go ahead and click that, and it might take a little bit longer to download depending upon your internet speed and your computer speed. Like you saw, mine was pretty quick, so you're going to want to go ahead and click that. But if for some odd reason that it does not automatically download it, you can go ahead and click right here to download here if it doesn't automatically start in a few seconds like it did for me. So next thing is you're going to want to go ahead and click that, and it's going to initialize it and set up Zoom. So again, depending upon, it's initializing. So depending upon your internet speed and your computer speed, it might take a little bit longer, it might go really quick like mine. It all just depends. So once you do that, it will then prompt to open. See, it's connecting Zoom. Now, it's saying to wait for the host to start the meeting. This is okay. Just give it a couple seconds, and we will start the meeting, and then it'll pop up and the meeting will start, and then you will be connected and we can talk to you. So let's give it a couple seconds here for the meeting to start. And it's okay if it stays like this for a while. It can stay like this for a long time. As you see, yeah, it's connected. So as you can see, it's connected. Right now I'm doing a meeting with myself, but of course it'll be with you and with me. So the next thing that you're going to want to do once you see this screen right here, so now we can join. You're going to have a message that pops up whether you want to join through your computer audio or phone audio. Of course, you'll be doing this on your computer, so you just go ahead and click join from computer audio, and then we'll be connected and we can talk to each other. So the next thing that we're going to ask you to do is go ahead right here in the middle. We're going to ask you to hit share screen. So you're going to go ahead and click that, and then we want the desktop selected / automatically selected. So then you just go ahead and hit share screen again down here on the bottom right in blue. So go ahead and hit share screen, and then now we can see your screen, but we cannot control it. You still have control over your screen. So the next thing that we're going to do on our end is request remote control, and you're going to get a pop-up right here that says that we're requesting remote control to control your computer. You can read it, and then you're going to go ahead and hit the blue approve button right here. And then now we have control over your computer, and we are going to just simply check your Gmail and your internet speed, and then your AdWords, so on and so forth. So that is the Zoom app, and first to show you how to install it, and so that we can remote access your computer and check to make sure that you qualify for Google AdWords opportunity. Thank you for watching.